In addition to studying humor, I continue to write and perform it as well, in a dire effort to maintain my insanity. While performing at Oberlin's local coffee house, I decided to deal directly with my major and wrote the following song. The tune is a second-hand hand-me-down. I first heard it in a Tom Lehrer song, though many of you may recognize its original source as Gilbert and Sullivan. In high school, I was interested in music and psychology, and theater, mathematics, social studies, and biology. My teachers back in high school, if they'd done a bit of wagering, never would have guessed the subject that I chose to major in. I am the very model of a college major humorist. My reasons for becoming one are various and numerous. Jerry Falwell speculates that evil demons got me, and doctors say I could be cured with just a small lobotomy. And Grandma says my screws came loose when I was vegetarian. And therapists have tried to use conditioning, Skinnerian. And Oberlin professors claim they like their students radical. But while I was on campus, they all fought for a sabbatical. They simply state my line of work is frivolous, not scholarly, but accusations such as these don't make me melancholy. As far as college majors go, since most are unemployable, you might as well select one that's at very least enjoyable. Okay, you've heard the lyrics now. Feel free to sing along. I am the very model of a college major humorist. My reasons for becoming one are various and numerous. Jerry Falwell speculates that evil demons got to me, and doctors say it could be cured with just a small lobotomy. Grandma says my screws came loose when I was vegetarian, and therapists have tried to use conditioning, Skinnerian, and Oberlin professors claim they like behaviors radical. But while I was on campus, they all fought for a sabbatical. They simply state my line of work is frivolous and scholarly, but accusations such as these don't make me melancholy. As far as college majors go, since most are unemployable, you might as well select one that's at very least enjoyable. Though people that I meet might sneer, and people from my past laugh, I'll bet that in the future it is I who'll get the last laugh.